Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cybro token. Now the Cybro token is live for pre-sale right now on the Blastup Launchpad. We're going to go over the information on this token and we're going to check to see if they have an audit and just basically review all the info about this pre-sale here, and we're going to do that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So their webpage, Cybro.io. If you go over there, you can find their social links. You can find a document section. You can find all sorts of info and links on this project here. So Cybro stands as the first earn marketplace on Blast L2, offering users a diversified set of investment options through a unified interface. It utilizes the native yield potential of the Blast blockchain while aggregating various earning projects within the ecosystem. Operated under a user-centric philosophy, Cybro prioritizes seamless processes, particularly in crucial areas such as investments, onboarding, and withdrawal of earnings. The Cybro team follows the following core principles. Number one is transparency. We prioritize openness, sharing essential information within the product ecosystem to foster trust with our users. Also, compliance. We set high standards of the security of the user's funds, project smart contracts, and internal policies. And quality. We are committed to delivering a superior product characterized by outstanding user experience and long-term sustainability. Cybro is currently under development with its initial release expected in Q2 2024. The Cybro token is set to launch in April 2024, and here we are. The smart contracts are also being deployed at the moment, and they will be listed on the smart contracts addresses page on their documents. And you can check out their documents at docs.cybro.io. So Cybro is an earn marketplace where users can choose investment tools based on desired returns and risk levels. In Cybro's roadmap, there are several income-generating methods, including staking, farming, and lending. Cybro is built on Blast L2 and utilizes its main advantages, offering a high native annual percentage yield. Cybro is also going to establish its own infrastructure and aggregate existing market products. The platform prioritizes user-friendly operations, focusing on seamless liquidity input and output and investment selection. Therefore, Cybro aims to develop infrastructure for fiat currency transactions. One of the milestones is its integration of wallet with a payment card into the marketplace, allowing users to spend accumulated investments in the usual way. The Cybro token will play a significant role enabling token holders to access services at preferential rates and receive Cybro token cashback. So they talk about why they used Blast. Blast yield comes with ETH staking and real-world asset protocols. The yield from these decentralized protocols is passed back to Blast users automatically. So they talk about all these different benefits, about how Blast works with auto-rebasing, L1 staking, T-bill yield, gas revenue sharing, etc. Let's skip down to the Cybro roadmap here, starting with the pre-launch or the pre-sale launch in Q2 2024. So that's where we're at right now. We'll talk about their pre-sale in a second here. Then community building, MVP launch, so yield staking on-ramp and off-ramp. Then Q3 this year, we're going to have token generation event, lending aggregator, airdrop. Then Q4 this year, easy farming feature, one-click investment feature, farming pool aggregator. And then next year, 2025, insurance program, artificial intelligence broker feature, and leverage farming. So what is the utility of the Cybro token? Well, it generates multiple values for its users. Apart from the traditional staking benefits, the Cybro token gives its users bonuses for using the marketplace services, and in the same time, it makes the use of this marketplace more profitable. So Cybro tokens will allow its users to get discounted trading and lending fees depending on the user's tier, receive higher yield by staking Cybro. Cybro will offer an annual percentage yield based on the sum of Blast APY and the APY of the Cybro token itself. And you can receive cash back in Cybro by using the service and secure the investments against shortfalls with the Cybro insurance program. Cybro token utility is still being optimized. So the tokenomics here, we got 21.5% of the tokens going to the pre-sale, 2% going to public sale, 8% going to liquidity, 5% airdrop and rewards, 10% staking program, 18% team and advisors, 8% marketing, 3% KOL, 24.5% reserve, and there's a total supply of 1 billion tokens. So if you just go to the Blastup platform, which is basically app.blastup.io, you'll find it there, or you could just skip to app.blastup.io/EN for English, and then /Launchpad/Cybro. That's how you skip right to the Cybro page. And listing price, it says it was 6 cents. And they go through 10 different phases of the pre-sale. On their document section, you can find pre-sale smart contracts on Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Blast. And then they have the Cybro token contract, the token management DAO contract, and then the Cybro pre-sale storage addresses, different multi-sig wallets there, and they have all of this at docs.cybro.io. So if you go to their pre-sale page, which you can find here at app.blastup.io, they have the pre-sale information. So far, they've raised $128,220. They're only in stage 2 right now. 35% of stage 2 is done. You just basically connect your wallet. There is a how to buy section. So they talk about how to buy it with ETH, with USDT, Matic, USDT on Ethereum or Polygon, BNB or USDT on BNB Smart Chain. You can buy with a bank card. And yeah, so that's also in the document section of how to buy. So yeah, there's a full guide, so we're not going to go over that. It's real easy just if you go to the app.blastup.io page and you just click right underneath Connect Wallet, how to buy it. I'll show you step by step how to do it. And yeah, so this pre-sale is going to go on for a while. You got a lot of time. It's only in stage 2. And I think, what did I say, 10 stages or something like that. So yeah, still a lot of time. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.